Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome to another episode of Electric Air Mobility. I'm pointing in the right direction this time. My name is Nicholas Zart, and I'm happy to see you, or hopefully you're happy to see me, probably. That's the better way to say it. For those of you who don't know me, I've been around for 20 years in the electric mobility industry, both as a consultant and a journalist, and mostly in the beginning on the electric vehicle side of things, so those electric cars that you see on the road. But in 2014, I switched over, and in 2019, I started working more on the infrastructure side of things. And last year, I officialized all of this work under the term Electric Air Mobility, which is my company. Electric Air Mobility is an LLC, and what we do is we conceptualize, we design vertiports. We help basically cities, municipalities, airports, heliports in preparing for what we call advanced air mobility. So one of the things that I wanted to do is I realized more and more that when I talk to people is a lot of people either don't really understand what advanced air mobility is, or AAM as we say, or have some sort of faint idea, or they tell me, well, yeah, that's 10, 15 years down the road. So I wanted to write a very generic, very basic article that really answers the question, what is AAM? It's also, then of course, this led to an idea that we should make this into a series of articles, because the same thing with vertiports. What are vertiports? What is an eVTOL? What is an eSTOL? And all these kind of questions. So bear with me. I'll get to it. I'm working on it. One of the first things I did was to write an article. Well, the first part really is what is advanced air mobility, and it basically, let me kind of reread my notes here. So yeah, I started with the very simple notion of where does advanced air mobility come from, and it's a very interesting topic, especially for those of us who have been in this industry for already 10 years. We didn't use the word advanced air, or the words advanced air mobility 10 years ago. In fact, we only used urban air mobility and eVTOLs. Okay, now if you don't know what urban air mobility and eVTOLs are, very simply, urban air mobility is any kind of transportation or mobility through the air that happens in a very small urban area. So think about within a city, think within a very small community. And back then, and eVTOLs, by the way, is electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, such as what you can see from Joby, Archer, and a bunch of other companies out there. And yes, they do fly, because some of the pictures on the article you will see are pictures of the aircraft that I saw flying. So I've seen already a few flying. And I've also, by the way, been inside the simulators,